Today I'm going to share 10 side hustles that can earn you thousands of dollars each month, all from the comfort of your phone. So these opportunities are simple to get started and can put some serious money in your pocket. So grab your phone, sit back, and let's get started as we do a countdown of the top 10 ways to make money with just a few tap and swipes. So, kicking things off at number 10 is becoming an online tutor. So, if there is a subject you are passionate about, why not share your knowledge and get paid for it? So, becoming an online tutor is a great way that you can earn money by helping others learn. You can use platforms like tutor.com, Shags, and Byzant, and they're always seeking for tutors for various subjects. So whether it's math, science, languages, or even music, there's always a demand. So you get to set your own rates and schedule, giving you the flexibility to even fit this gig into your life. So with virtual learning that is growing in popularity, the need for online tutors has never become higher than now. So it's not just about helping the student excel in their studies, you also be able to make a positive impact on their lives. So if you love teaching and you have expertise in a subject, why not turn that passion into a profitable side hustle, right? So on a detailed note on how it works, when you sign up on these platforms, you can create a profile that showcases your expertise and you can start receiving student requests. So whether it's high school students, algebra, or college level biology, or even piano lessons, there is a demand for a lot of subjects. Do you know that the online tutors can actually earn between $15 to $50 per hour? And it's depending on your expert level, right? So the flexibility is top notch. You choosing your hours, you identifying where your strength is in the subject area, and you can just get going and get started all from the comfort of your home for free. Our top 9 is becoming a virtual friend. This is something a bit unconventional, but surprisingly rewarding. It's becoming a virtual friend to someone. Are you someone who loves chatting and you love connecting with others? Then being a virtual friend could be your perfect side hustle. Websites, Papa, Rent a Friend, and Friend PC, they will pay you to connect with others online. Why is this a thing? Just in case you don't know, some parts of the world, loneliness is a growing issue worldwide, and some people just need someone to talk to. So as a virtual friend, you might chat with someone about their day, just ask them, how is your day going? And there's money in your account. You can actually also offer a listening ear for someone that is going through a tough time. You're just there while you're talking, you're listening to them. You can also help someone practice conversational skills in a new language. So some people are looking for people they can talk to while they're trying to learn a new language. So earning in this area can be quite impressive because some virtual friends have reported making up to $3,000 in a month. Just remember, professionalism is key. So this gig is all about creating positive connection. It's like having a professional best friend or being a professional best friend to others. So you want to know that you need to keep your boundaries clear and ensure that your interaction remains respectful. Just remember that you need to maintain professionalism and clear boundaries. So if you are empathetic and you enjoy talking to new people, this could be a great fit for you. So to get started, you want to create a profile that aligns your communication skills and your interests. You can mention any unique talent or languages that you speak as they can attract a wider audience. Make sure you're professional. You're not going out of the board to start asking your virtual friend out on a date or something. You're just going to get deleted from the platform. Stay professional at all times. Our top 8 is selling handmade crafts on Etsy. So if you are on a creative side, you have a little bit of creativity in your back pocket, Etsy is your playground. So from handmade jewelry to custom paintings, there is a massive market for unique handcraft items. You can start small with materials that you already have, at home. And as your sales grow, you can reinvent into better tools and inventory. So yes, it starts for you. So Etsy sellers earned a combined 10.3 billion in 2023 alone. The platform takes care of the marketing and the traffic, so you can focus on just creating. So invest in good products and photography. Clear, attractive images can increase your sales by 50%. Our top 7 is start a freelancing on Fiverr or Upwork. So whether you are skilled in writing, graphic design, video editing, or voiceover works, these platforms connect you to clients globally. How do you stand out? So you want to create a standard portfolio or profile with your portfolio samples in it. You can offer competitive pricing initially to build reviews. Many freelancers earn their first gig within a week of joining, and some go on to make 6 figures annually, so it is very possible. Our top 6 is becoming a social media manager. Guys, this is a big deal. I was trying to get a social media manager for one of the new brands I just opened, and I was trying to hire someone. It is now becoming so expensive, and you should be in that market. So with businesses constantly looking to grow their online presence, social media management is in high demand. So this side hustle is perfect if you're familiar with platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter. You will do really well. Here's what you need to do. So you want to create content. You want to schedule posts, and that's all part of the job. So you also want to engage with followers and analyze performance metrics. That way you are able to support your clients. You can also offer services to small local businesses. They are often underserved and open to affordable management options. You can get started with that. So how are we doing so far? Have you found any side hustle that speaks to you? Drop a comment below and let me know which one you're excited to try so far. Now let's go over to the top 5, and it is online reselling. So you want to find and flip items on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Poshmark. Now look for clearance deals on thrift stores, and find them to resell it. Our top 4 is taking online surveys. Now you can share your opinions and earn reward or cash through platforms like Swagbox or Survey Junkie, and it is really amazing how people are making money doing this. Our top 3 is affiliate marketing. This is a way where you promote a product and you earn commission for every sale that you made through your unique link. So you want to focus on product that you genuinely believe in, as that will influence how you communicate and convince people about that product. Our top 2 is start a YouTube channel. Guys, you want to share your passion or teach something that you know over time and monetize it through ads, sponsorship, or membership, just like the YouTube channel that you're watching right now. Then top 1 is offer virtual assistants. So you can help businesses with admin tasks like email management or scheduling. The demand for virtual assistant is growing by 30% annually, and you can make so much out of it. And there you have it, guys. 10 side hustles to help you earn money with just your phone. right? So whether you choose to try one or try several of them, the key is to take action. Remember, success does not happen overnight, but with consistency, these opportunities can lead to real financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, guys, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. So together we can actually help everyone discover their perfect side hustle and start making money online. Now, I do have a free resource for you in my description and in the link in my bio. So go in there. I have a free online course that I have made particularly for you and a free digital product that you can download today for free. Guys, work smarter, not harder, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.